Alright, doing the power steering pump on the old Foxbody here. Sorry, I got my light over there on the ground, but pumps out. That means taking off that sort of front accessory plate, lifting off that air compressor, and then you get this whole sort of pump bracket assembly and everything out. New one, old one. About to flip it over and I'll get the pulley pulled off of that and swapped over onto the new. Oh, I wasn't even videoing it. Hey, new power steering pump install. Got my bracket painted all black. Got this pump bracket all cleaned up. New pump. See the sticker? Hey, hey. It's full. It's on. It starts up and runs. Straight pipe. Sounds like a race car. Job well done.